Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7i and let me share with you how to enable the Talkback mode on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now we have to find additional settings. Right now we have to find accessibility, let's tap on it, and as you can see here in the screen reader on the third position we've got Talkback, so let's enter. Right now we can turn it on immediately just by tapping on this switcher here, but before let's customize it just by tapping on the settings. And here we've been transferred to all options which are connected to the Talkback. So here for example we can decide if we want to speak the passwords aloud, if we want to feel the vibration feedback, or we can set the gesture. So after tapping on it you will be able to pick particular gesture, for example swipe right, and after tapping here you will be able to choose what you want to do after swiping right. So for example, instead of choosing next item, you will be able to scroll forward. So it's really up to you how you want to set it. I highly recommend to stay in this place and have fun and just customize it like you want, but I will leave it as a default. And after getting back we can finally turn on the Talkback just by tapping on this switcher. Now your device is telling you that the Talkback needs to have full control of your device, so it has to view and perform your operations, retrieve window content, turn on Explore by touch, monitor the text that you type, control display magnification and fingerprint gestures. So if you're ready, just tap on OK. And right now we should hear the feedback from our device, and it means that the Talkback has been properly applied, and I hope that you can hear it. What's more, if you will turn on the Talkback for the very first time, your device will open the Talkback tutorial, and as you can see you will be able to go through it and learn how to use it, because here we've got the lesson 1 which is connected to the basic navigation and so on and so on. But I will show you the shortcut of it, because if for some reason your device turned on the Talkback without your permission, then after the shortcut you will still be able to use your device. So let me show you how to choose something. For example, the back button, just tap on it, you'll see a green frame and obviously hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap to activate. And as you can see we just got back to the very first page of the Talkback tutorial. So let me do it again. We are in accessibility, and let me get back to the general settings. So let's do it again. And as you can see we are in a general settings, so here we can show you how to swipe, and all you have to do is simply to use 2 fingers to do that this way or this way, but this option is quite tricky and I highly recommend to use the first one. So actually here we've got the basics of the navigation, so right now I can show you how to turn it off. All you have to do is simply enter the additional settings, so tap on it, green frame, and double tap. Now we have to find accessibility, so tap on it and double tap. Tap on the Talkback, double tap. Tap on the switcher, double tap. And tap on this turn off and double tap. And as you can hear, the Talkback is off. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the Talkback mode in your Realme 7i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.